Hello guys, happy new year 2026. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a foot care, an evening foot care. So welcome back. Make sure that you subscribe. So this is the picture showing. This is after my foot care, but before it was so dry, like you can see, so dry. Almost the heels almost cracking, but I fixed this. So welcome back and make sure that you subscribe. So first thing first, we are going to soak our foot. So I'm using warm water body wash. Then I'm adding baking soda ash. Then after that, I'm going to soak the legs for like 10-15 minutes. During this time, you can grab a book, be reading, because we want you to enjoy the process. So you can also take some coffee or some juice. It all depends with what you want. So soak these. Having soft music, it will really help. Then after soaking, it's time to remove the dead skin, because guys, dead skin is the one that makes the food to be like super dry. So today my feet didn't have a lot of dead skin, so you can use an exfoliating file or you can use a stone. Either way, all of them are going to work to remove the dead skin. Just ensure that you are using them gently. Give yourself a baby girl treatment. Okay, yeah, so remove that dead skin so that your heels are not going to crack. At the same time, they are not going to dry, and especially right now when it's so hot and it's so dusty. So if you always wear open shoes, my friend, make sure that you are exfoliating your heels, removing the dead skin and moisturizing them. That's all for today. Okay, yeah, so guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure that you subscribe. For those of you who have already subscribed, I really appreciate. I don't know, I'm so happy about the community that I've built. Sorry guys, so thank you so much. So subscribe, engage in the comment section, let me know what you think of this foot care. So after that, I'm going in with my coffee scrub. It's a DIY coffee scrub that I've made at home. I'm going in with it just to remove even the dead skin on the upper part of the feet, and just ensure that the feet generally it's soft and with no any dead skin. So this is what I'm doing with the coffee scrub. It was a little bit messy. Yeah, actually, I don't know, but it's okay. I enjoy doing this. So even though it was messy and I had some work to clean after, I really enjoyed. And yeah, so just you can use any body scrub that you have. You can use DIY scrub. Check out my YouTube channel. I have so many DIY scrubs that I've made, and I've given guidelines on how you can be able to make, whether you want exfoliating body scrub, brightening body scrub, all that. Just ensure that you are scrubbing your feet just like you are doing to your face. Please don't forget those feet. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? And why are you not subscribing? Please make sure that you subscribe, please. It really means a lot to my channel. Like you can see, it's so messy, but I'll fix this in a minute. So I'm just rinsing off the coffee scrub, and then after that, I'm still going to go in with my gloves, just to ensure that I'm just ensuring that I'm cleaning all the dirt, all the dead skin. I'm removing the dead skin. When you remove dead skin from your feet, I assure you that your feet are going to be super soft. Trust me. Then at the same time, the coffee scrub, like coffee is brownish. Yeah, yes. So what happens is I tend to use the gloves so that I'm not left with that blackish thin or brownish thin on my feet, because I want them to be super clean. So that is why I'm still going in with the gloves, and just to ensure that I've removed all the dead skin even on the upper part of the feet. So that's the reason. Don't worry, Okay, yeah, so at this point, if you have come this far to this point of this video, I really appreciate you. At the same time, please check out my YouTube channel for other foot care videos, pedicure videos, different kind of pedicures, different kind of socks. Please check them. And after that, guys, the most awaited part, like my feet are super clean, but I have to dry in between the toes because we don't want infections after these. Okay, so make sure that you dry your feet super, like make them dry, like dry. Okay, yeah, so they are clean, like the nails, you can see they are super clean, even though the nail polish needs a change, but we are moving. This is what we are working with today, and still okay. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my moisturizer today I'm using lanolin, so that is what I'm going to just give some love to massage. Just, yeah, you get it. That is what I'm going to do with my feet. Like, I just love moisturizing my feet and my body in general, so I'm really enjoying this part. So come with me, let me know what you use to moisturize your feet. So by the way, guys, if you are struggling with dry cracked heels, please can you try using lanolin, some glycerin, or super moisturizing cream that you have. You can use shea butter, you can use Vaseline. Just ensure that you moisturize, like make it your habit to moisturize your feet, like every night, every morning, and just scrubbing to remove the dead skin. Please make sure that you do that. And like you can see, I'm really enjoying, I really love this part of moisturizing my body. Yeah, because it's like I'm massaging and just giving myself some cuddles, and you get it. And we are in Valentine, by the way. Happy Valentine in advance. So then after that, I'm going in with my castor oil. I just wanted to super moisturize my feet. Like I've said, it's so cold and dusty, and therefore this might affect your feet, and especially if you don't like really moisturize them. So I'm going in with like lanolin, castor oil, and then afterwards I'm going to go in with the ballet oil. So you can use whatever moisturizer that you have to just moisturize and just give some love to your feet. Okay, yeah, so enjoy these and make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, and you comment. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know how is your ear. Are you doing self-care this year? What's your resolution for the year? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, yeah, so like look at that, super clean, super soft, and super looking pretty. Like they are just looking pretty, and they're just looking good, super good, and pretty. So if you are bored, if you are not in a very good mood, please just scrub your feet, just remove the dead skin and moisturize. Betting that this is going to raise your mood, like it's just going to make you happy, it's just going to elevate your mood and just make you feel good. So guys, this is the result. Like you can see, I'm sure you're loving the result. So thank you so much for being on my YouTube channel. Make sure that you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of the final results. Would you do these? You're just a person who just wants to go to the spa, which is still okay, but could you do this on yourself? Could you try it? Do you love it? So bye until my next video. See you.